Hi everyone, it's Toby from CineSim. Welcome to our fourth CineSim tutorial. In these videos, we'll explore lighting techniques including natural daylight, environment settings, and lighting equipment. And let's get started. Now, let's enhance our scene with some lighting techniques. First, we adjust the natural daylight, and we can go to environment and change the time of the date. When you change the time of the date, the shadows is also changed. Let's set it to the late afternoon for a warmer light. You can also rotate the sun to change the angle of the sunlight to fit with your needs, just like this one. Alright? This can dramatically affect the mood of your scene. Here are examples for you to compare midday and late afternoon sunlight. Midday light is typically direct and casts strong shadows and create high contrast, while late afternoon light has a warmer color temperature and casts longer shadows. You may also adjust the fog density to create a different atmosphere, just like this one. A dense fog can add a sense of mystery or gloom. Here we get a very strong fog. Here are examples for you to see the difference of fog density. You can see heavy fog significantly reduce the visibility, giving a mood of unknown or danger. For more control, you can add simple lighting equipment. We go to library and navigate to the lighting category. Here, we get different kinds of lighting fixtures and also some tools to block the light. So let's pick one. Maybe we can get a studio free light here. And I can position it to the place that I want. And also to adjust a bit of the color temperature. Maybe to make it a bit more yellowish. And I can also try to on off the light to see whether there's any difference. You can see the difference is quite significant. Now, it's your turn to experiment with these settings and see how they impact your environment. That's it for the lighting techniques in the CineSim. In the next video, we explore the camera settings and how to save and export your projects. Be sure to subscribe to our channels and stay updated with our latest tutorial. See you next time.